Yo, what's cracking? It's House Cat. Decided to leave the house today, come down to one of my favorite spots to fish on the river. I actually came here 2 days ago, tried to fish, had one of the worst times ever. I took the wrong exit on the highway, went for 20 minutes the wrong direction, then there's 20 minutes back just to get back on course. I came down here, lost 3 lures right away, got snagged in some of the rocks. Dear Lord, save my leader in this time of need. What do you guys think? How many feet of leader? Oh, we have no leader. But then I ended up finding probably $20, $25 worth of just random lures lying along the side of the riverbank. Ooh, that's chilly. Look at this. That's nice. Brown trout. Jerkbait, it looks like. I think I see something down there. Yeah, see if I can grab it without losing my phone. Look at that. They're freaking making bank, man. Meps. Probably 2 weeks ago, it rained really hard, and there was tons of wind. So the water rose, and it's finally back to fishable levels. So hopefully, the goal is to catch some fish on those lures I found yesterday. That'd be really cool. So that's the goal. We're gonna see if I can pull it off. So it actually looks like the water's risen a bit today somehow. I don't think it rained anywhere last night, but it must have. And the second shitty thing is that I forgot my rubber boots. So I'm going barefoot in a place where I was picking up lures yesterday, so that's fun. Whew. Hey, look at that. Somehow I already found another lure. That makes no sense. On the top of a rock. That's a fish. Doesn't feel like a big one. Oh, what? A goldeneye? Really? Oh, he just came off. Hopefully you guys saw him there. That was a little tiny goldeneye. There we go. Just burning it across the top. Yes. Oh, another little goldeneye. What? These guys put up such a big fight. See if I can actually land this one this time. There we go. First landed goldeneye. You can see why they get that name. But still not the fish we're looking for. Hopefully it's not all goldeneye. I'm seeing jump over here. Let's see if we can capture the release. But like I said, these guys, when they first hit it, it's so freaking hard. A lot of times they fight even better than the walleye. Another one. This guy feels small, so I'm hoping he's a freaking walleye or something. He's staying down. Nope, another little goldeneye. At least we got them figured out, right? Might have to end up keeping this dude. Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Oh, I got a piece of goop. Ah! Let's get him back in the water. Run, buddy. Run. Smile. I'm sorry for your eye. They are pretty resilient compared to trout, but he is bleeding quite a bit. Oh, he's swimming off. Put in perspective how much it's risen. This whole place used to be walkable Now it's underwater. And I'm walking through nasty mud. Look at that. That's why I wish I had my freaking rubber boots. But I have caught fish along this bank before. And it feels like, whoa, it's less windy. Put that spoon on my other rod. I'm gonna try out this little jerk bait as well. See how it works. Ooh, I like the look of this one. I think it's gonna work good. Whoa, right by me. Oh, this is better. Come on. This is a walleye or a pike. I can feel it. It's got weight to it. I don't have a leader on. Oh. Oh yeah. Head shakes. Oh. Nice. Looked like a walleye there. A giant? No, that's a walleye. Nice. Oh, nice. It's a big one, too. Come on, buddy. Literally hit it right by my feet. I don't have a net, so I just gotta let him play himself out here. That's so sick. And we got him. Look at that fish. Yeah. Whew. Hey. You always got to give him a stern talking to. Whew. There we go. Whew. Look at that fish, guys. He's got an ant on his lips. Yeah, there we go again. You can see it is a catch and release only on walleye here, so I'm gonna get a release on him. He got me with his spine. Whew, but it's all good. Look at that fish go. Yes, that's what we're looking for. No more of those little golden eyes. Yes, yes. Whew. Didn't get me too bad. Obviously not going to put this little bad boy down now that he got me my first walleye. Not sure what make it is, but like I said, I came out here yesterday, had the worst time, was just snagging all my lures, losing them all. So I called an audible, searched the shoreline, and found this little bad boy right here, along with probably like 5 or 6 other lures and like 4 leaders. So if you got no money for lures like me, all you gotta do is come search the bank, and you never know. Like, I literally hit it probably like right there, 4 or 5 feet in front of me. I thought I got snagged, and then he just shaking his face at me. those things have like a neurotoxin in their quills, man? My freaking hand's cramping. Do I need to suck the venom out? Let's try over by this tree. Oh shit, son. What was that? That's a freaking knot. So this is how you untangle a knot, if anyone was interested. You basically make it way worse, and then you have to cut off like 20 feet of line. So yeah, this rod's out of commission, probably, unless I tie a new leader. But I think I'm gonna head back and go hit up that spot where we were catching our first goldeneye, the initial spot, and try throwing around this other bait for a little bit before my camera dies and I gotta call it a day. But it's already been, woo, better than I could have hoped. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's why you should wear shoes. But yeah, one more walleye or a nice pike would just freaking put the cherry on top. Oh shit, there's a snake. Did anyone see that? Oh, now we gotta investigate. I saw a tail. How do I get down? I saw a freaking green, slithery tail go underneath this rock. I don't know if I can see him. I think he's gone. That was creepy though. Yeah, too bad. I don't feel like poking a snake. I'll meet you guys back at the other spot. Back at the original walleye spot. And see if our little boy came back. I think my drag is way too loose, right? Yeah. There we go. What is this? Little one? I can't see because of the glare. That was right by my feet. Oh yeah, real little one. Or did I side hook him? What's going on here? Whoa! Dude's skiing. I don't know why these all get hooked in the side as well. Come here. No, easy now. Whew. Another little guy. Wah! Don't give up though. He's off like a bullet. Frick! I wanted the walleyes to respawn, not the goldeneye. This nasty freaking ball of gunk on here. There we go. Damn, I can't wait to come back and freaking use some real lures now. This is nice. Whatever this is mad. He was literally using the rock by my feet. Oh yeah. Walleye? Yes. Is this the same walleye? Do you guys remember what the last guy looked like? This might be him. Yes. Walleye number 2, baby. Just let me touch you. Whoa, what a freaking slap that was. Holy. Come here, buddy. Come here. There we go. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's hooked pretty deep here. Get him some water here. What a beautiful fish. Feels like the exact same one, to be honest. Look at that. Look at those teeth. It's freaking mad. I want to see if I can take my GoPro off here and get a different angle. This guy's already ready to go. Look at that. There we go. GoPro died. Had to whip out the cell phone, get a picture, and record the release. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I gotta head home now. GoPro's dead. Probably search the shore for some more lures. I mean, might as well. But yeah, that's second fishing video, or I guess third. Second day fishing recorded. Hopefully you guys like it. Way better than I thought it would go. Two probably 20-inch, just shy 20-inch walleye. Yeah, I'm pumped. See you guys next time. One of them is I'm gonna need you.